at least in the short term. So that's the good news. We're just going to enjoy lots of sunshine and warming temperatures for us. And in fact, look at our latest Future Track computer model. No issues tonight. Skies will be clear. Yeah, it's going to be cold again tomorrow morning. So, get ready for those temperatures still below the freezing mark. But, throughout the day tomorrow, it will be nice. Temperatures going to be warming into the mid and upper 50s throughout the entire area. And it's going to continue to be nice for much of this week. Now, we are going to have to deal with some winds from time to time, but I don't think anything too severe where we'll be issuing an ABC 7 first alert for any real strong winds, but certainly the winds are going to pick up primarily for you folks on the west side of town. So here's the temperatures for tomorrow morning. Socorro at 26, Clint at 27. Notice Montana Vista will bottom out at 25 degrees. Here's your high temperatures tomorrow. Lots of sun throughout the entire area. We're going to be looking at temperatures in the mid and upper 50s compared to the low and mid 50s that we had area-wide for today. All right, you folks in Doña County. La Union at 22, La Mesa at 22. You folks in Chaparral at 25, and maybe Santa Teresa dropping down to right around 24 degrees. Here's your high temps tomorrow, upper 50s primarily. We'll be looking at mainly sunny skies throughout the entire area. All right, so here's the bigger change as we look ahead to this week. We've got a front coming through here, and this cold front's going to make its way through, looks like by early Saturday. And this is going to bring in some cooler air. Not terribly cold, but the winds are going to pick up. Now, we're going to be talking about winds on the west side of town. Notice the wind direction out of the northeast. So you folks on the west side of town will get some stronger winds. Down to 10 on Friday. Got to like that. And then 35 once we head into Saturday. But those 35-mile-an-hour gusts will be primarily on the west side of town. So overnight tonight or tomorrow, we're going to be looking at temperatures down to 57 degrees. You folks in Las Cruces, your overnight lows will drop down to 22. We have a sunset time for you tonight at 5:45. Here is your forecast for tomorrow. Skies will be mainly sunny. We're going to be looking at 56 degrees, and winds will be westerly at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's your forecast over the next several days. 28 tomorrow, then we drop it down to 30, still below freezing in here by Wednesday morning. 61 will be the high on Wednesday. Then we'll be at 33, above freezing finally for Thursday. Winds will pick up primarily on the west side of town, as we talked about. 61 on Friday. Then we'll cool things down behind this next front coming in here by early Saturday. The winds will gust to maybe 35 for you folks on the west side, and then we'll see those temperatures back up into the 60s by next Monday. We'll take a break.